Trick to change background color of one page only in MS Word. So if you want to change the background color of one page only in MS Word, then first you just need simply select your Word document. After selecting, now if you go with the design tab and if you go with the page color and select the page color, then it will change the page color of whole document, right? But if you want to change it for only one page, then you can go with insert, which is on the upper left, go with shapes and select a rectangle or a square, anything that you're comfortable with. And after that, just cover the whole page with the shape. Make sure that you've covered the whole page, adjust it. After adjusting, now if you're wondering that where the text go, right? So you just need simply click on the page and then you need to go with upper right, and here you will have bring forward, send backward and everything. So you just need simply click on send backward, go with the drop down and go with send behind text, and that's it. That's how you can change the background color of one page only. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.